Okay, I should be live on YouTube and in a minute. Also, if there is a noise in the background, just ignore it. Like it, it shouldn't be disturbing. Yes, I know there is a background noise like humming or something like that, but that's okay because it's summer in India and cooler is on. So like whatever air conditioner, you can say air conditioner is on, and I do know. Start. Okay, I do know. It might be irritating, but yeah, my what was this? I want to be comfortable when I'm doing stream, so I'm gonna keep that on, and you're gonna listen to this. I don't really care. Okay, let's try. Uh, what was the? No, let me start this. Okay, let's adjust this. Okay, is this good? Yes, done. Say docs. Let me just adjust the cooler. Okay, I can't reduce the noise, so you just have to bear with it. Okay, let me open the Twitter. Yes, Twitter stream is up. Obviously, no one is watching, so we know what's up. Yeah, yesterday we were trying to get the validator address right, and we were not able to get it. So what we are gonna do is we are just gonna. Can we just ask? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to write the function to create create this. No, not create, to fetch the address from command output. Let's try it. It was tilde slash go slash ben cd query staking validators. Okay, we need to run our node. Let's okay, we have this. Write node js function to get say val address, say val oper jq. Okay, oper, yes, address from executed command. Let me copy this. And we are gonna put that here. Ignore all of that. Let's remove all of this. We need const require child process exe. We have that. We'll say try console.log, await, and catch. We have the error. Let's see. Okay, no. npx hardhat run script slash yep, we got it. 4D, yes, we have everything. We'll rename this to rename get say validator address. Yeah, this should be fine. Now next part is just writing the test and seeing what works. Okay. We have this. Can we say no? Let's ignore that. Get local validator address. Now, can we access it here? That's the question. Const require dot slash dot slash we script slash get local validator address, and let's just console log it in one of the tests. Console dot log await. We have this npx hard at test. Hopefully we don't get any. Yes, we did get any. We did get an error. One 18. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Yeah, that's the wrong script slash let's get the relative path. Oh, sorry. We are doing that wrong. Is this working? Even if we say here it says uh, file is an ES module and it may be converted to an ES module, common JS module and ES module, but this doesn't actually throw an error. Then why does this? We can't mix both of those things, right? So maybe we packet.json. Okay. Do we have other options? Okay, let's run use this. And see what happens. Support for loading ES module and requires an experimental feature and might not change at any time. Trace warning. We are currently using Node.js 23.3, which is not supported by Hardhat. Okay. I know I can convert this to module. Should we try that then? I don't know. Does it fit here? Type. Okay, let's just try to use import. Add type module. Type module. Let's try to run it again. Okay, that's why I don't like this. I want straightforward things. Like it should work on both parts. Ignore that. Ignore this too. Now I'm just gonna copy that and paste it in the test file similar to these. Instead of using this, forget that, we're gonna directly use it. Cannot access temp before initializing it. Temp. Yes. Let's put the signers up. Yeah, you see, we just don't have we resolved that issue by putting everything in one file. Now that we have it, let's go for okay. Now we are gonna work on writing the test for user can deposit and get correct amount of LST. No, this is wrong. This is only for liquid staking contract. Check deployment. Deployed correctly and correct ownership of token. Okay, maybe we can name it better, but it's okay. Now user can deposit and get correct LST. Async function. Now we have access to all of these things: signer, provider, staker, and hopefully we have some say in all of those accounts. We have this right. Now we'll say liquid staking dot deposit for okay, first we need liquid staking, then deposit. external payable, and then this. We can say await dot connect user deposit, and we'll need value ethers dot parse ether 1 const user balance equal to await statesy dot balance of user dot address console dot log. No, expect user balance to be equal to ether dot parse parse unit. I think ether dot parse ether, and we'll say 1. Okay, we can const amount equal to amount. Let's see. Does this actually work? Let's see. Connect. Excellent. This is great. Now we can do same thing again. Let, but now what we want, deposit again and check if the exchange rate has changed. Now check if deposit again and amount of LST received should be different. We do this. Now we want, what we want is const, no, let exchange rate equal to await liquid staking dot get exchange rate. Hopefully the function is correct. Let me go. Okay, get exchange rate. Yes, the name is correct. Now we are gonna say amount equal to amount plus amount into exchange rate. Hopefully this is good. Now let's select again. Expect user balance to be equal to amount. Plus equal to. We have this. Wrong LST balance after second deposit. Reward function return an unexpected amount of data. Okay. Now I'm curious, like what? I know the issue is in the contract where this can we do this, like we'll just write a script that actually does the staking on local node with just JavaScript, not in the test, just regular new file stake.js, and we'll do all these things here. Hey, hi Arjun. Hi. So thanks for joining. I know you might be hearing some noise in the background, but you know how hot India, like whole India is right now because of summer. So I have air conditioner on, and that's why you are hearing the noise. Anyway, we were working on this part where we wanted to get the private key, and based on that private key, we were gonna actually, yeah, get EVM address, get private key. Private key, no, not this one. It's here. Get and verify private key, get EVM address from CD, and get private key, account name, and we are doing this here. We are getting the admin and creating the whole thing. So we need all of these. Okay. Yeah, this part. We have the admin. Now we can actually stake. So staking will be simpler. Did I start the stream too late? Because this says it's 23 minutes left and it's already 10:13. 20 more minutes. So yeah, maybe we'll finish at 10:35. Okay, no worries. We we don't have the provider. We get that provider here. We don't need the signers. Provider, admin. Now we just need to create the instance for the distribution contract and then call it. Okay, let's try something. Say JS EVM. And it says it's, oh, we can use this actually. Ethers get signer. Parse. Okay, all these things are here. We just need this part. Let's say npm install say EVM. Yeah, say EVM is installed. Const equal to require @c dash js slash EVM. Let's see what's available. Packages, EVM, ESTS, source, index. Let's see if we can get precompiles. Or we can just say EVM and then just try to use it. tvm dot staking as const no wasm staking ts ethers staking precompile ts then we are gonna say we already have the provider signer. Okay, so here we'll say const contract equal to get staking dot admin, then we have the admin const response equal to await contract dot delegate where is this, yeah, await comma parse ca 1 console dot log delegate response will say stake we're just gonna get bunch of errors. Let's say type okay, we have module. Now we need to say from okay, do we need to rename this to mjs? Who knows? Okay, let's ignore that, whatever I'm doing. is not very useful or important. Okay, forget it. I don't know what I'm doing. Rename. Const. Okay. Oh, instead of that, ChatGPT suggested me we can just use this. Let's try to run it. Oh, remove this part. Okay, we need it. I cannot understand any of this. Okay, that's good. Parse is not function. That's great. We can ignore that. We'll say ethers dot parse ether 1 string 1. Can we do this? Let's console log the contract and see what can we get from it? Let's log fragments. No, it's not interface. We have delegate function. Oh, delegate. No matching fragments. Key delegate. Okay, I guess we are wrong. Parse delegate, right? Ethers. We are checking this pre-compile. Go back. Pre-compile, staking, delegate, string, validator, and payable. Okay. Let's remove this and say value. Okay, there is a I think formatting error now. Object. That's great. We are getting somewhere at least. we have that. Now let's check. I want to check the delegation. So we're gonna do the same thing again with ethers distribution. No, not distribution. We are gonna query it. Delegation. Let me open the build on EVM, precompile, staking, and query. We have delegation, delegator address, admin.address. Let's see what we get. We get everything that we want. Result, balance, okay, let's try to run this again. We don't want this. Const response equal to, oh no, let's delegate again and see if something changes. Network does not support ENS. Yeah, we didn't use any. Oh, this stopped. Let's try to run it again. Where are we using ENS? Const response equal to delegate. Sorry. Now let's run this again. We'll see the delegation. No, let's zoom. Yes, it does increment. So maybe, no, I don't understand this part. Delegator address, it gives is correct. Okay, we have TA9. Let's run that and see. Insufficient fund. Can we do TA0? Insufficient fund. So we only have admin. Okay, that's great. Shares balance. This is actually very weird because we don't. Okay, we don't know what's happening with these things. Like, was the shares like was that like shares. Then amount it returns the whole balance. Okay, we at least figured this out, so let's ignore the part where we are messing up or we are not understanding. We'll understand those tomorrow. Okay, cool. uh, that's I think that's it for today's stream. Yes, I hope you like the stream and the noise was not too much, or too, at least not much distracting. If it is, let me know in the chat or in the comments. I'll shut that down tomorrow for the stream. What else? Yeah, nothing. There is nothing else. Okay then. See you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments, in the DMs. If you're watching this on YouTube, please do subscribe and like. If you're watching this on Twitter, do give me a follow. It helps me a lot. And yeah, that's the end of the stream. Have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.